How to fix oops, something went wrong while logging into Windows. 1. Make sure you entered your login info correctly. 2. 2.1 Boot into your system with the media creation tool. 2.2 Create. The temporary account in command prompt pane under safe mode. Commands include /Windows /System32 /utilman.exe /Windows /System32 /utilman.exe .bot copy /Windows /System32 /cmd.exe /Windows /System32 /utilman.exe acquittal reboot net user username /add net local group administrators username /add 3. Disable accounts, block Microsoft accounts at computer configuration /Windows settings /security settings /local policies /security options /improved policy editor. Create a new account. Switch to the old one later on. 5. Credentials at %localapp.a%. 6. Update Windows. 7. Reset your PC to factory settings.